I wanted better shoe storage for my garage and needed something that didn't stick out too far as it was going between my car and the wall of the garage, so I found this one from Bornon. After getting it all unboxed, I noticed all three of the longer pieces were cracked in the middle. This is always such a disappointment, as when this happens, your choices are to box the entire thing back up, lug it to a store and return it, or just deal with it. I figured I'd assemble it and see how it worked, then go from there. Oh, and there was a second box with a bag of screws and plastic side pieces for the drawers. The bags were labeled too, and some parts were combined. Assembly was really straightforward and took about an hour. I was prepared to make this video into an assembly video too, but unlike most self-assemble furniture, the instructions were pretty clear. Some of the wood pieces had stickers on them to show which was which, but it was easy to figure it out just by referencing the pictures and quantity of each that were listed in the instructions. Honestly, unless you're terrible at putting stuff like this together, the manual is more than enough, and it was all very easy. When I was done, there was a big bag of parts left over. I triple checked everything and I didn't miss anything, so the company must have provided extras, as well as the screws for the middle drawers that I didn't want to mount yet. More on that in a moment. I placed it in my garage and it fit right up against the wall. It only stuck out 10 inches total, which is exactly what I'd hoped for. The instructions also said to mount it to a wall, which makes a lot of sense, as if you open all the drawers, it'll probably fall over. I found a stud in the wall, positioned the metal mount to sit flush against the wall, and marked off the spot. Then I drilled a pilot hole for the screw. Then I marked off the wall mounting bracket on the other side, which didn't line up with the stud. I used the wall anchor they included, and it popped right out. I kind of suspected this would happen, as I don't think I've ever gotten a quality wall anchor with a product before. I ended up using a metal grip wall anchor, and that worked perfectly. I then used one of the larger screws in the kit to secure the mount into the stud. Just to note, it's really hard to keep the screwdriver in place while holding a camera. I have no idea why I didn't bring my tripod with me for this one. Sorry about that. But after both were in, this is a solid mount to the wall. Both the stud side and wall anchor side aren't budging at all. So now it's time to add the dividers in each section, and I decided not to bolt these in, at least not now. They slide right in and don't slip out, so it seemed like a better idea to just leave them as is in case one drawer needs to hold giant boots or something. I think once it's filled, I might bolt them in just to keep the plastic tight, but so far there's no issues. Overall, this completely solved my garage shoe storage problem, but I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it yet. The broken pieces don't seem to be causing an issue yet, but that was disappointing to see in the box. And I don't know if not including a back piece is a good idea to help the shoes get more airflow, or if it's a terrible idea and now it's easier for spiders and mice to get in. I guess only time will tell if it was the right decision. I certainly couldn't find a better choice for narrow storage though, so I'm happy with my purchase and just hope it continues to work this well over time.